Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix we couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again in 1 hour. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting problem to get a verification code on your WhatsApp, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open your Chrome browser, then click on this search option, then type here WhatsApp contact. You can click on first option, contact WhatsApp. Here you will find WhatsApp messenger support. Below you can see contact us. Click on that, then click on this. You have to select your country. So I will select the country and enter the phone number. After entering the number, just enter the email ID. Again you have to enter the same ID and select the problem. How do you use this WhatsApp and where you are facing this issue. Suppose if you are facing this issue in your Android, you can select the Android, or if you are facing this issue on your web or desktop or laptop or iPhone, you can select your problem. After that, here you need to type some of the matter. Dear WhatsApp team, I am not receiving the verification code on my mobile. I had waited for more than 1 hour, but still I am not receiving the verification code. Please fix this issue as soon as possible. After writing this type of matter, just tap on next. After that, just tap on next. Then tap on send question. After that, you have to wait at least 24 to 48 hours. After that, try to install your WhatsApp and send a code again. After that, your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix we couldn't send an SMS to your number. Please check your number and try again on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.